Think about running a race with hundreds of competitors. There's always that one runner who's faster than everybody else. It's often the person who's able to make quick decisions and execute fast. Why does speed matter? Let's say you're in a business where you're flipping products or running an online store. Imagine having a stock of 100 products. If you focus all your efforts on trying to sell each product for the highest price possible, you could end up sitting on that inventory for months, hoping someone will pay full price, or you could sell the same stock in a fraction of the time by slightly lowering your price, but completely focusing on moving it quickly. Suddenly, you've cleared your inventory and you have even more cash flow to go and invest in more products. This way, you're not waiting for perfect buyers, you're moving quickly and creating opportunity. Speed is like the throttle in a car. If you don't have it pushed down all the way, you can be in a supercar and be going nowhere. If you're sitting there constantly worrying about the price, you're not moving forward. Think about any industry where products need to be sold really quickly. Retail stores, stock traders, these benefit from moving quickly. They're not waiting around for the perfect opportunity. Instead, they understand that speed creates more opportunity. Here's the takeaway. The quicker you move, the quicker you make profit. Don't wait for the perfect condition. Move fast. If you like the tip so far, hit subscribe and let's keep diving deeper. Picture this, you're at a yard sale and you want to sell a blender. You can either hold out for 50 bucks, hoping that the right buyer comes along, or you can drop the price to 20 and sell it in about 15 minutes. Which one of these would you choose? In business, this analogy speaks to the heart of what I'm about to explain. Stability and scale aren't built over obsessing about every little penny you can make off of every individual sale. It's not about squeezing every last dollar out. Instead, it's about how fast you can move product and build momentum. And then from there, you scale your operation. Think about the people who have built successful businesses. In the beginning, they understood that volume of sales is most important. And then pairing that with speed and efficiency is much more important than having a perfect price point. They're not so focused on maximizing the price of each item. They're thinking, how can I get this product in front of as many people as quickly as I can? Here's why. When you're overly concerned about price, you're tying your hands. It's essentially like trying to ride a jetpack with a backpack full of bricks. Sure, you can make a sale, but your business is limited to how much you can squeeze out of each item. On the other hand, when you adjust your mindset to be about speed and volume, you can rapidly move products, build trust, and reinvest your profits into new opportunities. This is what allows a business to scale faster. 80% of your results come from 20% of your action. So when you're focusing on speed and efficiency, you're tapping into a much larger portion of the potential to make money than if you sit there and focus just on trying to squeeze out as much as you can from a single product. Why action beats waiting for the right moment. Let's use this example to explain. Imagine you're sitting in a boat waiting for wind to come and push you along. But here's the thing, while you're sitting there waiting, you're not moving. So what's the alternative? Instead, you pick up a paddle and you start to row. Perfect conditions don't exist, and by waiting for them, you run the risk of being stagnant. Because even if it's not ideal at the time, if you just start rowing, you will make progress rather than waiting for the wind to come and push you. Don't wait for perfect conditions, start now, make adjustments, because in business, action always trumps waiting. If you like these tips on how to break free from hesitation, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, because there's gonna be a lot more daily videos.